For lesson 4.1, we're going to do the practice on page 170A. I'm going to do numbers 2 and 3 with you, and then you will do 4, 5, 6. Well, actually, you'll just do the rest of the page on your own, and then you'll let me know when you finish. And once you get checked off, then you can start working on the homework for today. Okay, so starting with, if we look at number 1, you notice that these are increasing by powers of 10. So that means the decimal should be moving to the right and the number should be getting larger. When we look at this one, we're going to be increasing, or actually decreasing, because we are multiplying by a decimal or a fraction. And then this one for number 3, we are multiplying by powers of 10. So our decimal will be moving to the right. So let's start with number 2. 1 times 30 is 30. 0.1 times 30. So remember, the decimal actually belongs at the end of 30, and then we're going to move it. So if we're moving it 1/10, we're going to be moving it 1 spot to the left, and our number goes from 30 to 3.0. For number 2, we're going to be moving it 1/100th, so that's 2 tens. So we're going to move it 2 spots to the left, and it becomes 0.30. So it went from 30 to 30 hundredths. It got very small. For number 3, 10 to the 0 power, let me go ahead and erase these so you can actually see them. 10 to the 0 power is the same as multiplying by 1. 1 times 0.23 is 0.23. That doesn't change. For the next one, this tells us that we are multiplying by 1 power of 10, so my decimal is going to move 1 spot to the right, and it becomes 2.3, or 2 3/10. This exponent tells me that I have 2 tens, and I'm going to be moving it 2 places to the right, 1, 2, so it gets 100 times bigger, and it goes from 0.23 to 23 point nothing. So really, you don't even need the decimal at the end. And 10 to the 3rd, which is 1,000, we're going to make 0.23 1,000 times bigger, so we're going to move it 3 times, 1, 2, 3 times, and we're going to fill in that space right there. So we have an empty space, we're going to fill it in with a 0, so it becomes 230. So now you are going to finish 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 on your own. Then you'll do